Hey YouTube, and welcome to my channel. My name is Dice, and today we're gonna talk about the 5 rules of life for one of the most influential and successful women in the world, Oprah Winfrey. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. And well, she's one of the most successful women. She has her own network. She helps a lot of people in many ways, and she has an amazing show. So let's get right into her rules. Number 1 is to never fear taking a chance on something you really want to do. And well, we all know that taking that first step out of our comfort zone is can be overwhelming and can give us that sense of anxiety and stress. But we do know, and we should always seek pushing ourselves forward to doing that thing that we want to do in life. For example, jumping out of a plane is an amazing example, because once you say you want to skydive, it's one thing, but once you're about to jump out of 15,000 feet of an airplane, it might be another thing. So if we're passionate about something that we want to do, we should always push ourselves forward to stepping out of the comfort zone. The second one is, she says that experience has taught her that most of the worries are a waste of time. Our mind works in a sad way in which our stresses and anxiety are always present when things are going a little bit bad. But this should not be the case. As Oprah says, and as once Robbie Williams said, our worries are on things that mainly are not going to pass. So instead, we should focus our things on what we can do to become better. The third one is that you cannot sit and wait for life to happen. This is a great concept because we're gonna talk about it in a great way. So let's get right into it. It is really easy for us to say that we want to do stuff, learn a language, or learn to play an instrument, but if we're not taking action and doing the small and most simple steps possible that we know we should take and that they can be done right now, then we're not doing ourselves our favor to improve. The fourth one is that the energy you put out in the universe is the energy you get back. So well, in this channel we talk about the law of attraction a lot, because I find in my personal life to be a really important topic, because I've experienced what positive thoughts can do to your life. And to relate this point to the third one, meaning the last one we just talked about, I want to put you this example. You have to have a positive mindset and take the right actions. There has to be a relationship between your mindset and actions, in which they correlate to what you feel and what you want to create in your life. For example, if I want to be a millionaire, I have to have the mindset of abundance and richness. But as well, I have to take the action steps to create the millionaire lifestyle that I want in my life. So really, it's really important for you to have the mindset of success and also take actions for success. And the last one is to never let anyone define your worth and capabilities. In my personal experience, once you understand that you're unbreakable and you are extremely powerful, and you know that power comes from within, you cannot let anything damage your being. And once you understand that happiness comes from within and that all the power comes from within, you'll begin to experience amazing things in your life. So well, hope you enjoy Oprah's 5 life lessons. Well, love you all and see you next time.